Hi, in this video I will show you how to make money playing video games 2021 yourself. Before we get started, hit that subscribe, like, comment, share and notification bell for more make money yourself. All the free games you see on the market basically earns from showing ads. When a user plays the game he shows some ads over there. For showing ads on the mobile Google give you some money. All the money will be added to your AdMob account and you can withdraw this money to your bank account. Now you might be thinking how much will you earn? It's basically depends on many parameters. 1. Number of users playing the game. 2. Users country. 3. How many clicks are no ads. 4. Is there any installs from ads? The more user you have the more your revenue will be, and if the users are from country like USA, Canada, Australia etc., then your income will be huge. If you got click on the ads then your income will be huge. Google sometimes pays more than $3 to $5 per click. Without click you can also earn from just showing ads. Google will pay you per 1,000 ads shown to the game. Click will be like extra cheese to pizza, burger. If you get click then your income will be huge, but if you don't then you will also get paid from just showing ads. If user click your ad and install or purchase any product from the ads shown on your game then your income will be huge. Get your own game at Fiverr, link in the description below. If you like to play my games, link in the description below as well. Now you know how to make a lot of money on games. Invest responsibly, invest as a form of entertainment, invest with money you can afford to lose. I just wanna thank you guys so much for watching this video. It really means the world to me, and if you're interested in more business ideas, YouTube ideas, how to make money with YouTube yourself, subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm gonna be putting out absolutely free videos that you guys can watch. And if you wanna learn in depth, you wanna get coached, check out my link below in the description and also check out the course. If you wanna take your YouTube channel to the next level, we are absolutely blowing up YouTube channels within the course member community. So if you guys wanna join that, check it out. Links are down in the description. I wanna thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are interested in more videos on how to make money with YouTube, check out this playlist right here. That I put together completely free videos on how you can start making money yourself. You guys are gonna love this playlist right here. Click it and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching everybody. I'll see you guys next time.